What's up, guys? Welcome to my cooking show, Cooking with Blake. I'm Blake, and today I'll be showing you all how to make homemade popcorn. So let's get in. For this recipe, you're going to need one large pot with a lid, oven mitts, a half cup, a whole tablespoon and a half tablespoon, kernels of your choice, vegetable oil, sea salt, and a large pan. So the first thing you want to do is get your tablespoon and put 3 tablespoons of vegetable oil into the pot. 1, 2, and 3. So now what you want to do is take your half tablespoon, dig it in that salt, make sure there's a level amount, and then dump that all in. Then just for safety measures, I'm gonna pinch a little bit. Yeah, you know what I'm saying? But let's go. Let's keep going to the next part. All right, so now this is where that good stuff comes in. You want to take your half cup and pour the kernels in until it gets to the top. Just enough. All right, so then you pour it in. That's all set. So now this is where the cooking process begins. So you want to move everything out of the way. Give yourself some room. This is where the mitts come in. Put the lid on top. Turn the stove on medium, or apply medium heat. Put the mitts on and start to cook. So as you're cooking this, you want to go back and forth. You want to move the pan back and forth on the stove and make sure you're constantly shaking it so all the kernels can get the proper amount of stuff. So as the kernels start to get hotter, you'll notice some of them will pop, and I'm still over here trying to get one to pop. So keep shaking it back and forth in the meantime. Yeah, this is probably gonna take a while, so I might just put a time lapse right here. And I'll get back to you once they start popping.
Done saying I'm done playing. Last time is on the outro. Stuck in the house, need to get out more. I've been stacking up like I'm fundraising.
So as you notice, the glass started to fog up, which means it's getting hot in there. And basically, it's gonna be like this until something starts to pop, and this is when you know you're getting really close. Do I hear kernels? Not yet. Okay. So you want to keep on shaking it like this. Keep on shaking.
Places with star girls and they end up on them front pages. I'm quiet with it, I just ride with it. Moment I stop having fun with it, I'll be done with it. I'm the only one that's putting shots up, and like a potluck, you need to.
So right now I hear some action in there. Ooh, I see it popping now. See, it's that pop, 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 pop. Yeah. So you want to keep on shaking so you can move the kernels around. Push the popcorn on top so it doesn't burn in the oil. You want to keep on keeping on. Just keep on moving. It's more pop, pop, pop. See, as you notice, all this is popping down here. Keep on shaking. Keep on shaking, keep on shaking. Ooh. And then once you know it's done, you'll know it's done when you don't hear any more popping. So Gonna keep popping the last few kernels here. So once that's all out of the way, you want to take your top off your popcorn, bring the bowl over, and start pouring it down. And once that's all set, you're all set to go. Feast. Feast, my friends. Feast. Gotta taste that product. Blake approves.
Yeah, man, I know
Hey
that
guys,
tastes like
the
I
first
do.
thing I want to say is thanks for watching and coming to my channel. If you like my content, don't hesitate to leave a like and subscribe for more videos. Catch you on the flip side.
Like 20 nights if I go in there. Back rub for my main thing, I've been stressed out. Talking to her like back then, they didn't want me, I'm blessed now. Talking to her like this drop.